We've been camping with our dogs for a few years now, and we just wanted to share some of the things we like to bring for them to have when we're on our trips, whether it's car camping, tent camping, or even in our camper truck. It's just nice to really have these things along for them. So this water jug is super awesome. We added a carabiner to it so we can just clip it onto our backpacks. But pretty much all the water is contained in here. Little button to push, and it'll fill this little cup up with water. When the dog no longer wants to use it, just hold the button, hold it up, and the water drains back in. So it's really nice to have, so you're not wasting water on the trip. And you can use it over and over again. We have car seat belts for the dogs to make sure they're nice and safe. So it just clips onto their harness, and then it clips into the seat buckle. And we've got these off of Amazon as well as mostly everything here, so I'll make sure to put the links below in the description. I like to use this fanny pack for walking the dogs. Just clips on around me. It's got a pocket to keep your phone in, pocket for treats, pocket for dog bags, and then their leashes clip on each side so I can be hands-free. This backpack or traveler bag for the dogs is awesome. It has everything inside of it that we need. So it comes with 2 little carrier bags for their dog food. It also comes with dog bowls to feed them in. And then we also always have a first aid kit for the dogs, just in case, they cut their foot, any kind of bite, wound care, it's all in here. Always bring a brush. Bill especially, his hair picks up everything off the ground. So we like to make sure we bring this so he can stay nice and clean. We bring these ear care wipes, again, just to get the dirt out of their ears or any kind of, yucky stuff on them. We bring nail clippers just in case. And then also for ticks. Sam actually got a tick on him. Bo. And then we also have these bully holders, which are awesome. Our dogs love bullies. And they are a choking hazard if they can get down to a small amount size. So bullies just go right in the hole here and you tighten them up and they can't pull them out all the way. And then of course, plenty of dog treats. We always bring toys to keep them occupied. A blanket for them to sit on, whether they want to or not. It's a nice option for them, again, to stay a little bit cleaner. And then this is a pop-up for the dogs, so when it's really, really hot out, we can provide them some shade. It's really awesome. It comes in this nice little bag. And then to set it up super easy, you honestly just hold it. And it self pops up. Pull the corners out. And then there's a little room for them. So we always make sure we bring this because we never know where we're going to be, if there's going to be any kind of shade or anything. Timmy, eat. So I'll be sure to put all the links in the description below of the stuff we like to use for our dogs for camping. Mostly everything we got on Amazon. I think a few things are no longer in stock, but if you find something similar, I'm sure it's going to be just as great.